Does judicial activism promote social justice? Imagine a world where the law adapts to the evolving needs of society, ensuring that justice is not just a concept but a reality for everyone. This thought leads us to explore the intricate relationship between judicial activism and social justice. Judicial activism refers to the practice of judges making decisions that reflected their personal views or beliefs, often stepping beyond the traditional role of interpreting the law. This approach can significantly influence social justice, which seeks to create a fair and equitable society for all individuals, particularly marginalized groups. One prominent example of judicial activism promoting social justice is the landmark case of Brown versus Board of Education in 1954. In this case, the United States Supreme Court ruled that racial segregation in public schools was unconstitutional. This decision was pivotal in advancing civil rights and dismantling systemic racism, demonstrating how judicial activism can challenge existing laws that perpetuate inequality. Another instance is the case of Obergefell versus Hodges in 2015, where the Supreme Court recognized the right to same-sex marriage. This ruling not only affirmed the dignity of same-sex couples but also marked a significant step toward equality for the LGBTQ+ community. Such decisions illustrate how judicial activism can serve as a catalyst for social change, pushing society toward greater acceptance and inclusion. However, the impact of judicial activism on social justice is not universally accepted. Critics argue that it can undermine the democratic process by allowing judges to impose their personal beliefs rather than adhering strictly to the law. They contend that this could lead to inconsistent rulings and a lack of predictability in the legal system. Despite these criticisms, many believe that judicial activism is essential in addressing social injustices that legislative bodies may be slow to rectify. In instances where laws are outdated or discriminatory, judicial intervention can provide immediate relief and protection for vulnerable populations. The debate surrounding judicial activism and social justice is complex and multifaceted. While some view it as a necessary tool for progress, others caution against its potential to disrupt the balance of power within government. Ultimately, the relationship between these two concepts continues to evolve, reflecting the ongoing struggle for equality and justice in society.